Today I want to discuss about this FAA, because FAA is very important in our plants, because this FAA have a very strong nitrogen. That's why FAA is the one good also to spray in our plant. Mostly if our plants have the leaves of yellowish color, it means that our plants need of nitrogen. This fish, any parts of the fish we can use. You see, our melon, even it is young, it produces of fruits. But if our plant is young, we must not allow to produce the fruits. We must still remove of this, because if we allow this to bear fruit as young as our plant is young, the shape of the fruits of these plants will be like this, not good form. It's like some other people they calling is deformed fruits. See, not round. That's why if our plants is young, don't allow to produce fruits. We must to remove. In this part, you see, the fruits of this is good looking, so we can allow this to become big. And you will see that the leaves of our plants, even this young, you will see have a dark green color. See here also there is fruits here. See the fruit is the shape of that fruit is good shape, because before the first fruits of these plants I removed already. So you will notice that the leaves of this plant is dark green, so it means that there is more nitrogen. Yeah. That's why in like this, our plants, we don't need this FAA. But if our plants is the leaves of them is yellowish, so FAA we can use that for spraying to our plants, to become healthy. That's why this FAA is important to have in our garden. See, our plant is very greeny. If our plants is very greeny, it means that our plants is healthy. See the shoot, very healthy, alhamdulillah. See, like this. Any parts of the fish we can use, even though we are eating of our food, and then the torn of the fish we can use also, because even the gills, the head, when we are cleaning of our fish, we are only throwing these parts of the fish, but we don't know that these parts of the fish that we are only throwing, it is very big help to the plants that we have in our garden, because some people only, even before that I did not know it, that these parts of the fish that I am throwing in the garbage, I did not know that there is have more nutrients, and we can transform it to the fertilizer in our plants. It's only I throwing in the garbage, so it is wasting of our important things. That's why if we transfer it or convert it to the fertilizer, so our plants will take a benefit for that. That's why if we have something like this, the pins of the fish, the scales, or the skin of the fish, we can use that to make up a FAA. FAA means of fish amino acid. This fish amino acid is free only. We can take in the market. Sometimes the vendor are throwing only the fish. We can take that. Even though some other neighbor, if we have a neighbor, friends there, that we can ask them also that if they have some fish, some parts of the fish that they are throwing only in the garbage, then we can request to them to don't throw and give only to you, so that this material from your neighbor we can use again by recycling this to become a fertilizer. And after that, this collecting this all material, you will clean this by washing also, because we need to wash this mostly if there is some chemical that, and then we must this truly wash. After that, you clean that parts of the fish, and then you will put that in the jar or in the bottle. And then put it water, and so see like this. See in our melon here, there's also fruits. And after that is putting of water, and add also this molasses or brown sugar. And after that is stuck there. See here we have also some one fruits here, a little big. I cover it because of the temperature here is very hot, mostly starting from morning 11:30. The temperature is sometimes coming up 45, 44. Also here, alhamdulillah, there is another one fruit here, alhamdulillah. See the color of the leaves is very dark green. So it means that this is very healthy. The soil is more microorganism. And see here, there is one little ripe fruits. And after that, I will harvest this. Because you see that this ripe. Maybe after 2 days, we can eat this, inshallah. That's why, alhamdulillah, that if we have a plant, and we are surely that we can harvest. That's why we must have plants in our yard like this. See? See the texture and the color of the leaves of our plant. See? It's very good. So this is our video. Don't forget to subscribe. Mostly in the new viewer, please subscribe to our video and follow, so that if there is anything that some video for additional idea, and you will see my alugbati here is very dark green. See the color of the leaves. So dark green, so it means there is more nitrogen there in the soil there. That's why you see in the texture of the leaves. See, this another one, good looking. It's very healthy, alhamdulillah. See, also is very healthy, because some turn of the piece I buried there in the soil. There, yeah. See our metal melon. See the leaves, dark green. So it means that our watermelon, alhamdulillah, is very healthy. See also here, Also here, very dark green, very healthy. That's why if notice that our plant is yellowish, we will put this FAA. After 15 days is we can collect and we can harvest, and then dilute in 1:5 of plain water and then spray to our plants.